Particle accelerators, such as CERN's Large Hadron Collider, LHC, are marvels of modern science designed to uncover the universe's deepest mysteries. The LHC, the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator, is a 17-mile ring of supercharged magnets that slam protons into each other at nearly the speed of light. It recreates conditions similar to when the universe was born, creating a temperature 1,000,000 times hotter than the sun's core. These collisions create short bursts of high energy that allow scientists to study the fundamental particles and forces that govern our lives. Founded in 1954, CERN is a symbol of international cooperation and hosts thousands of researchers in 23 member countries. The LHC is the crown jewel, but it is only part of the scope of research tools. The collisions at the LHC were held at the four main observatories, ATLAS, CMS, ALICE, and LHCb, which focused on investigating different aspects of particle physics. These detectors are like high-speed cameras, collecting data that scientists can analyze to detect phenomena such as the Higgs boson, the so-called God particle, which is essential to explain how particles gain mass. The purpose of these tests is beyond that. By analyzing particle physics, they try to answer larger questions about the nature of the universe. By studying the smallest building blocks, scientists can understand the universe at large. But this acquisition of knowledge is not without danger and concern. Can the manipulation of world powers create problems beyond our control? In recent years, the discoveries of famous physicists such as Brian Cox have attracted worldwide attention. Cox, a former CERN researcher, said the LHC's mission is to recreate a smaller version of the Big Bang, the event that gave birth to the universe. These experiments can unlock the secrets of dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up most of the universe, and allow scientists to control the universe. The idea of managing building blocks is tempting, but raises ethical and social concerns. An incident that illustrates the dangers of particle accelerators occurred in 1978. Anatoly Bugorsky, a Russian physicist, accidentally put his head in the path of a proton beam, which was successful. As for his life, he shows throughout his life his strength and the problems that arise from these strong tests. One of the dangers discussed around the LHC is the creation of a microscopic black hole. Black holes, regions of energy where light cannot escape, are some of the mysteries of the universe. There is a theoretical concern that the LHC could inadvertently create a black hole that would become out of control and consume everything in its path. Although scientists believe that black holes will continue to shrink, they will still appear and surprise. Renowned physicists such as Stephen Hawking and Sir Martin Rees have investigated the possibility of a black hole collapsing or vacuum collapse, an event that could destroy not only Earth but the entire universe. Although the risks are small, negative results can lead to lawsuits and ethical disputes that it is also exciting to think that the LHC could open a portal to another dimension. Although largely dismissed by the scientific community, the idea has gripped the public imagination, fueling conspiracy theories and fears that our experiments could unlock capabilities beyond our understanding. These concepts are based on concepts such as string theory, which suggests that there may be more dimensions beyond the 3 dimensions of space and time. For CERN, these experiments are not just research, but responsibility. Although the organization ensures that it operates in strict safety conditions, the controversy surrounding the potential risks of the LHC has led to legal challenges. In 2008, a lawsuit was filed to shut down operations due to fears of planet-eating black holes or adverse reactions. Although these were ignored, there were many more questions about CERN born after the Second World War, when the world was still struggling with the consequences of unprecedented technological destruction. It was seen as a sign of hope and a symbol of humanity's ability to use science for peace rather than conflict. Over the decades, this research center has become global, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the world. Although scientists like Brian Cox and CERN debate the safety and necessity of these experiments, they know that power is responsible. Whether we are on the verge of solving the world's greatest mysteries or playing with forces beyond us, the LHC is a symbol of the level of human achievement and the deep philosophical questions that emerge from these in-depth studies. The development of the World Wide Web. a tool that revolutionized communication and information sharing around the world. But perhaps the most famous achievement came in 2012 with the discovery of the Higgs boson, a particle long considered a key element of the standard model of particle physics. The discovery was a remarkable success, confirming decades of research and opening new avenues to explore the nature of reality. But like all great achievements, it comes with questions and concerns about the implications of these powerful discoveries. Dubbed the God particle, the Higgs boson imparts mass to other particles, essential to the creation of matter as we know it. Unraveling its mysteries is an important step forward in understanding the origins of the universe, but it also raises questions about the dangers of manipulating such fundamental forces that as we push the boundaries of scientific knowledge, we must ask, where should we write? Are we ready to face the challenges that come with diving deep into the fabric of reality? In a world where science fiction merges with science reality, particle physics and ethics take on even greater meaning. At CERN, the Large Hadron Collider is a symbol of human achievement and a source of concern. The balance between discovery and responsibility is in the balance. The pursuit of knowledge has driven humanity to incredible heights, but it has also, at times, led to unforeseen consequences. In the end, the story of CERN and the LHC is one of paradoxes, a pursuit of the tiniest particles, yet a quest to understand the largest questions. It's a place where the cutting edge of technology meets the timeless mysteries of the universe, where the known and the unknown are in constant collision. And while the scientists working within CERN's hallowed halls remain confident that the benefits of their research outweigh the risks, the debates and concerns they spark remind us that science, like the universe itself, is a field of boundless possibilities, both awe-inspiring and, at times, terrifying. As we continue to explore these uncharted territories, we must remember that with every answer comes new questions, and with every discovery, the potential for unintended consequences. What lies ahead is beyond our present understanding, and we must be prepared for what lies ahead, because once we open the door to the mysteries of life, we may never turn back. The discoveries made at CERN through the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, have changed the face of modern science, but they are also fascinating in the complexity of the universe. For many, the discovery of the Higgs boson was the culmination of decades of work, as it confirmed an old theory. But the closer we get to the answers to the biggest questions about our lives, the deeper we get caught up in new and confusing mysteries. What are the dark forces, the invisible forces that make up most of the universe? How does it fit into the standard model of physics? Or do we need a new theory? Or is it a hidden image that can shed light on the nature of reality or unlock the mysteries of time and space? More importantly, what is the true nature of existence? Finite or finite? Singular or plural? At CERN, these questions are not just speculation. They're the backbone of research, the experiments that dig deep into the building blocks of everything we can see and everything we can't. As upgrades to the LHC are currently underway, scientists expect more groundbreaking discoveries that will challenge or overturn our current understanding. But alongside these visionary dreams, moral questions are also raised. Will we discover the secrets of the world? Will we enter places we can't? The ability to create energy on previously unimaginable scales, opening doors to new dimensions, is a phenomenon that expands the boundaries of our knowledge. The scientific community is very cautious, but those outside the lab wonder if it is enough to be cautious about the potential of powerful and unknown forces that in the public sphere. Fear of the unknown has fueled controversy. Critics warn of apocalyptic scenarios, black holes swallowing the Earth, or exotic particles behaving in ways that could disrupt the balance of nature. Though these fears have been largely dismissed by scientists, the fact that they exist speaks to a broader unease about human ambition and its consequences. Yet, even as these debates rage on, CERN continues to operate at the cutting edge of human knowledge. It is a place where physicists, engineers, and dreamers converge, working with machines so powerful that they can mimic the conditions of the universe a fraction of a second after the Big Bang. And with that power comes a great responsibility: to ensure that humanity's quest for knowledge doesn't inadvertently lead to its undoing. Looking to the future, it is clear that CERN and the LHC will remain in the history of science in the 21st century. Every time we see the world's veil being pulled back, we are reminded of the frailty of our understanding and the limitless power of human inquiry. So, what will be the next big opportunity? The discovery of a new energy, a unified theory of everything, or a revelation that will lead to technologies beyond our wildest dreams. Or something unexpected and unexpected that makes us rethink everything we thought we knew. One thing is for sure, the journey is over. CERN stands as a symbol of human interest and intelligence, a place where the impossible is possible, and the search for truth continues, however difficult, never ending. Now we look forward with hope and respect for the unknown, knowing that the world still holds many mysteries, and it is up to us to explore these things by following responsible and open-minded.